friends. So this is one of my favorite gingerbread stories. It's called The Gingerbread Man Loose in the School. And it's very, very different than all of the other gingerbread stories that we've read, like the gingerbread man, the gingerbread girl, the gingerbread cowboy, the ninja man. This one's very different, but it's a great story. And I actually have it on a CD, so I'm going to play it for you while I turn the pages. Okay? I love it, and you're going to love it too. Here we go.
The Gingerbread Man Loose in the School. Written by Laura Murray. Illustrated by Mike Lowry. When you hear this sound, it's time to turn the page.
Got it.
I began in a bowl. I was not yet myself, just a list of ingredients pulled from a shelf, chosen by children who measured and mixed my smooth, spicy batter while sneaking quick licks. Yummy.
That means turn the page.
A sprinkle of ginger, some cinnamon too, molasses, soft butter, and eggs as my glue. Then in their classroom, the children began to roll me and mold me to look like a man. They added some sweets to make me complete, and I baked on a pan in the warm oven heat. It's pretty toasty in here. I heard a small ding, and they pulled out the pan.
I wonder if he'll run away. Let's see.
Finally, I thought, I'm a gingerbread man.
He's ready. He doesn't seem like he's running away like the other gingerbread men.
The teacher called, "Recess!" The class jumped in line. They raced out the door, and they left me behind. I popped off the pan, yelling, "Please take me too. I want to be part of the class just like you. I'll run and I'll run as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man." Bouncing and bounding my way down the hall, I rounded the corner and spotted a ball. It rolled up so fast, I had no time to hide. Then, flat as a pancake, I stuck to its side.
Oh no.
The coach picked it up, and I started to bounce. "There's somebody down here," I had to announce. "Who's that?" he said, stopping. "Well, let's have a looky." He jumped when he saw me. "Good grief!
It's a cookie.
I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind." "Your class passed the gym a few minutes ago. Run fast, and you'll catch them." "Oh no, where's your toe?"
His toe. Oh, look, his toe is missing.
"My toe. It came off. Now what should I do?" "Go straight down the hall and our nurse can help you." I'll limp and I'll limp as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. I picked up my toe and I hopped down the hall, then into a room that was tidy and small. The nurse came right over. She squatted down low. I pointed and showed her my broken off toe.
Poor gingerbread man. Missing a toe.
"You're quite a tough cookie. We'll fix you like new." I grinned and said, "Thanks, I'm a smart cookie too." "You certainly are, if you found your way here. And what a brave face, not one single tear." She fixed up my toe with a small dab of glue, then reached for a bandage and stuck that on too. "I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind."
Poor guy, he's just looking for his class.
Your class turned the corner just minutes ago. Try asking the art teacher. Maybe he'll know. He's right down the stairs. You can take a quick ride. Just hop on the handrail. It makes a great slide.
There he goes.
I'll slide and I'll slide as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. With spectacular speed, I slid to the floor and bounded right in through a large wooden door. I leapt for a table, but landed inside a brown paper bag with its top open wide. I plopped on a sandwich and chips with a crunch. Oh no, I cried out. I'm in somebody's lunch. I tried to climb out, but I spied two big eyes. They peered in the bag with a look of surprise. I'm the art teacher here, he said with a grin. This is my lunch bag. So glad you dropped in. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me, but left me behind. Your class passed the art room just minutes ago. You might ask the principal. Maybe she'll know. I leapt from the table. I waved and then said, thanks for not taking a bite of my head. I'll skip and I'll skip as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. I passed through an office, slipped under a door, and discovered a room I had yet to explore. I jumped on a desk, then leapt to a chair. It started to spin, and I twirled through the air. Despite feeling dizzy, I jumped up for more, but froze when I saw someone peek in the door. I'm Principal Peacock, she said, stepping in. That is my chair you just took for a spin. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me, but left me behind. The children you mentioned just left you to cool. They're hanging these posters of you through the school.
Look. They think he's missing, and they're hanging up posters to help find him.
And there on the wall was a drawing of me. The poster said, missing from room 23. If found, please return him as soon as you can. We think he is lost. He's our gingerbread man.
So the kids are looking for him too.
I jumped in her hand. Can you show me the way?
The kids are looking for him too, and he's looking for them.
We rushed to my classroom to shouts of hooray! The class said, we missed you. We want you to stay and be our new friend. Please don't run away. We made you a gingerbread desk and a chair and a house all your own. It is cozy in there. You're part of our class now. You're where you belong. Next time we go out, we will take you along.
Oh, they made him a desk and a chair and a house. How sweet.
I felt right at home here. I liked my new place. I looked out the window, a smile on my face. I ran and I ran as fast as I could. I finally found them. I knew that I would. The end.
What a great story, my friends. I like this one. It's so different from the rest. There's no sneaky wolf or coyote. The gingerbread man does not get eaten. He spends his whole book looking for his class. Well, the class is looking for him too. And it has a really nice ending, a sweet ending. I love this one. I hope you guys listen to this one a lot of times. I'll see you soon, friends. Bye.